This rainforest looks incredible.
We should take lots of pictures.
Can we see monkeys here?
Let's go.
Here?
Yes, we can! And we might see jaguars too.
Wait, what?
Don't worry. A jaguar probably won't be waiting for us at the river.
But we should stay together all the time.
Absolutely. We must protect each other.
We can do that. We're a great team.
I would feel much safer if there were no snakes. You can come with us.
Our guide said the temple could be somewhere near this river. We may find clues along the way. Or we might get completely lost. Don't be so negative.
We will find the temple. I'm sure of it.
First, we should check our backpacks.
I have cookies, chocolate chips.
Danny, you should pack survival equipment, not a supermarket.
Food is survival equipment.
Look! Footprints!
They could belong to a tapir.
Or they might belong to something bigger.
Can we stop saying scary things?
No, we can't. That's part of the adventure.
Come on! We have to keep moving.
Listen,
Could that be a jaguar?
it might be. Or it could just be monkeys.
We shouldn't panic.
But we must stay alert.
Everybody ready?
Yes!
This place looks like a movie.
It would be the perfect place for a hidden temple.
Guys,
What's wrong?
we have a problem. There's a river ahead, and the bridge doesn't look very safe.
Some of those wooden boards could break. We should cross one at a time.
Can I be the last one?
I thought brave explorers would go first.
I would, if this bridge weren't so scary.
Don't worry. You can do it. I'll go first. Follow me carefully.
Did you hear that?
Yes, but old bridges always make noises.
Still, we must be careful.
Nobody should run.
And nobody should jump.
I wasn't planning to.
Look down. You may see pink dolphins here.
Really?
Yes, the Amazon is famous for them.
I might look, just for a second.
Cute. I want to touch. What was that?
Nobody move.
Danny, you must stay calm.
I'm trying.
One board has cracked.
Can everyone reach the next board?
Yes, we can. Wait, look over there.
Is that a backpack? It could belong to another explorer.
Or someone might have left it here years ago. Should we open it?
We should check if anyone needs help first.
Good thinking. Fresh footprints and broken branches.
Could the owner still be nearby?
It's possible.
May I open it?
Yes, you may. Just be careful.
It could be full of treasure. There's a notebook inside.
Anything else?
A compass, a flashlight, and an old map.
We have to see that map.
It might show the temple. Open it carefully.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Look, there's a red X.
That must be the temple.
It could also be another campsite.
You're right. We shouldn't jump to conclusions.
Let's follow the map.
We should mark our path.
Good idea. Otherwise, we might get lost.
The trail goes through a cave.
A cave?
A Explorers would never turn back now. Wow, this cave looks enormous. It might be the entrance to the temple. Or it could just be an old cave. There's only one way to find out. We must go in.
Your flashlight might not last very long.
Really? Come on. We can explore the first tunnel together.
I'm joking.
One day, I'll stop believing you. Listen! Bad! Be careful! I'm scared.
Everyone okay?
Yes.
Wait. There's something on the wall. It's an inscription.
Can you read it?
Only true explorers may continue.
Let's see how modal verbs work. En la historia, escuchamos muchas palabras como can, must, should, may, could, might, will, would, you have to. We use them to express ideas like ability, permission, possibility, obligation, advice, necessity. Lo primero que debes saber es que los verbos modales tienen reglas muy fáciles. Después del modal, siempre usamos el verbo en su forma base. Nunca agregamos to. Miremos algunos ejemplos. Can. I can swim. Aquí, can expresa habilidad. Significa que alguien sabe hacer algo. Can I come in? También usamos can para pedir o dar permiso. Could. I could swim when I was 5. Aquí hablamos de una habilidad en el pasado. Pero could también puede usarse para hacer una pregunta más educada. Could you help me? Should. You should study more. Should se usa para dar consejos o recomendaciones. No significa una obligación, solo es una sugerencia. Must. You must wear a seatbelt. Must expresa una obligación fuerte, algo que es muy importante hacer. Comparemos should y must. You should study. Es un consejo. You must study. Ahora es una obligación. May. May I open the window? May se usa para pedir permiso de una manera muy formal. También expresa posibilidad. It may rain. Might. It might rain tomorrow. Might también habla de posibilidad, pero normalmente expresa una posibilidad un poco menor que may. Will. I will call you tomorrow. Will se usa para hablar del futuro, también para hacer promesas. I will help you. Would. Would you like some coffee? Would hace las preguntas mucho más educadas. También aparece en situaciones imaginarias. I would travel the world. Have to. Aunque no es un verbo modal puro, funciona de una manera muy parecida. I have to work tomorrow. Aquí, la obligación viene de una situación externa. Por ejemplo, el trabajo, la escuela o una ley. Good job! See you in the next class.
Subscribe to learn more English with us.